Alright, next step. Shoot. Well, as you see, I got all new bags. It's the Hovercraft Depot, whatever the high-end fancy ones are. As you can see, if I can move that thing, I actually got the all new bushings in, stainless, carbs, new throttle, they were rebuilt, new bushings, new that. Put these two in, so now we'll have hopefully be able to upgrade the carb with EGT. Some of their attention. GPS, and now I am doing some of the final steps. Put the bags on. Yeah. Definitely make sure you split them out. And if you follow the directions, you put the center one in the center, which lines up with that rivet. And what I did is took a grease pen, marked out between every hole. You have 13 fronts, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, just had to double check. 6 of these bags on this side, and then I have 6 more on this side to go on. Yeah, hopefully lift off tomorrow. But the so I ran with the gauges. I have new sensors. What's the wire for the cylinder head tempers? I gotta wire those up. These are EGT. I haven't welded on the exhaust bungs yet, but everything's moving on. Got a bunch of parts in today. It's Saturday. Luckily Amazon delivers. I should have a new throttle. The new throttle showed up today. I just haven't gotten out of the mail. Yeah, rig that up. Tomorrow I'll put the motor on. I adjusted with the new control cable, I adjusted it. So now, see, that's about center. You see the last one. It's closer. Before it was, I think it was biased to the left side. I don't know. Yeah, you see all my piles of junk I had to push out of here. But yeah, beer 30. We're putting bags on. It's finally cooling down here. And yeah, I will. Alright, so got the front on. Key here. Do what they said. Start the center. Same thing with the back. Started with the center. Box said 18. I actually got 19, which works out well because then you have the one center. And go on there. Here's back.